In this Daudian model governance, lot of ganja and all sorts of this drugs and sarai, this Kalakurchi incident and Gundaism, murders, everything happened. This is the family rule. They are saying very big things. Ours is the district model rule. But unfortunately, they have deceived the people of Makkal of Tamil Nadu by not fulfilling the 502 promises which they made in the before assembly elections through their election manifesto. Now, simply they touched 200 something. Now, everywhere problem people are facing. The governance is the for now. Simply they are saying so many things. There is no discipline, nothing, and this high-handed behavior on our workers are happening. Even in Madurai municipality, corrupt practices, the 200 crores of corruption has been exposed by our BJP corporator and our BJP wing. In that, management committee has been dissolved. This is the symbol of, this is the governance of Dravidian model. And so many things are happening. That is the reason I am telling. And no control. You see, Senthil Balaji came out of jail after 471 days. Not for a freedom struggle or anything. On corruption charges, that cash for jobs. But the way the Chief Minister, right from worker to Chief Minister, the way they are celebrated his outcome, it is fun actually in politics. They are, because they are in power, they can do anything. But people are very wise people. Tamil, this in this Punya Bhumi, this Siddha Bhumi, definitely people will give in the right time and right opportunity a befitting reply to this omissions and commissions and corrupt practices of this anti-people policy of this DMK and Congress government. Definitely.
So DMK chief and Tamil CM Stalin appointed Udayanathan as a deputy chief minister.